true that people only use 10% of their brain?
Around 2/3 of the public and nearly half of the scientists believe in this 10% myth. While it is hard to pinpoint exactly where this belief came from, but usually Albert Einstein and William James decided. This is because they, in many words, suggested that we only use part of our mental potential. So I don't think that they meant to support this myth after all. And in the past, the purpose of the frontal lobe and the parietal areas was unknown, as damaging these caused no motor or sensory deficit, leading to several false conclusions that these parts didn't work at all. However, the contemporary science had proved that these parts are responsible for the integrative and executive ability of humans. In simple words, they help you with abstract reasoning, planning, deciding, and adapting to unusual situations. And the 10% myth is also challenged by the total energy consumed by our brain. Despite accounting for merely 2% of the body mass,
It consumes nearly 20% of the daily glucose burn.
this will be higher in infants and children with 60% and 50% respectively, compared to 5% in rodent and canines and 10% in monkeys. This will be questionable if the 10% myth is correct, right?
Yet this data leads to another question. If we use most of our brain, why does the energy cost only 20%? This confusion is understandable, as a 25-kilogram ape needs to eat 8 hours a day to uphold its 53 billions neuron brain. And we, humans, whose brain contains 86 billion neurons, need only 20% to fully function. This energy disparity is thanks to an ingenious plan that our brain built to improve the energy efficiency, letting just 1 to 16% of our brain active at a time. The need to conserve resources is the reason why most of our brain functions happen out of consciousness. In short, we use virtually all parts of our brain, just not all in once, debunking the myth that we just use 10%.